Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to remove password from PDF file. Friends, if you don't want to enter the password again and again and want to remove password from a PDF file, like here you can see I have a PDF file with a password. So if I open this file, I need to enter the password. So to remove the password from this file, I need to open this PDF file in Google Chrome browser. You can open it in any browser if you are using Firefox or any other browser. Then you need to open this file in web browser. Now enter the password. Now I have opened the file. So after opening the file, you need to click on this print icon and in the destination you need to select save as PDF and after that you need to click on save. Now save the file. My file is saved on desktop. So here is the file without password. So as you can see now I don't need to enter the password to open this file. So friends, like this you can very easily remove password from a PDF file. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.